Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast with Lily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hi, Lily. It's so good to be here today. How are you?
I'm great, Alex. Thank you. How are you?
I am a little hungry, Lily.
Hungry already?
Yes, I am thinking about food. A big hamburger, fries, and a big soda. Yum.
Wow, Alex, that sounds delicious. Now I feel hungry too.
Good, because today's topic is restaurants.
That's a perfect idea. Today we're talking about something very useful, going to a restaurant and speaking English.
Yes, ordering food in English can feel scary, but today we will make it easy and fun.
Exactly. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.
Yes, please do. It really helps us. Okay, Lily, I'm at the restaurant door. What do I do?
You go inside, smile, and say hello or hi.
Easy. Hello.
Then you ask for a table. You can say, a table for two, please.
Or a table for one if I'm alone.
Exactly.
And the waiter says?
This way, please, or follow me.
Now I'm sitting. What do I need?
The menu. You can say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Very polite.
Yes, always use please. You will see starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Starters are small food first, right?
Yes, like soup or salad.
Main course is the big meal, like a burger.
Exactly.
And dessert is sweet food. I love chocolate cake.
Good choice. The waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
If I'm ready, I say, yes, I am.
Or if you need time, "Just a minute, please."
Now I order. Should I say I want?
Better to say, "I would like," or "I'll have."
Okay. I would like the hamburger, please.
Perfect.
And for drinks, I'll have a soda, please.
Good. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like tomato soup to start.
And for your main course?
I'll have a hamburger, please.
And a drink?
I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. The waiter brings your food and says, "Enjoy your meal."
And I say, thank you.
Later, the waiter may ask, "Is everything okay?"
I can say, yes, it's delicious.
Exactly.
What if I want more water?
Say, "Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?"
After my burger, I want dessert.
Of course you do.
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Perfect again.
Now I'm full. I want to pay.
Say, can I have the bill, please? Or the check, please?
Easy.
Then you can pay by cash or card.
And say, here you are.
See? It's simple. So today we learned
A table for, can I have, I would like, and the bill, please?
and always say please and thank you. Simple English, clear English, real English.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food?
Pizza, pasta, burger.
I choose all of them.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.